Good morning, YouTube. It is me, Devontae. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some income proof and payment proof from Power Lead Systems, Lead Lightning. And I wanted to give you guys a quick background of what it is that I'm actually doing. I'm actually earning money online daily with doing things just like creating content and getting involved with XYZ programs and just creating content for these programs and just simply just putting my link in the description to have people sign up and have people drive traffic to my website. So I am a 23-year-old college dropout. um, I dropped out of college last semester, so 2018, that's when I dropped out. Last fall, that's when I officially dropped out and wanted to pursue this online thing, focus mainly on this online marketing strategy. So if you don't know, the Power Lead system, they pay out every weekly through Paylution. I just received the payment today, every Wednesday. That's when they pay out. I have gotten a sale this week, so let's go log into the back office here and get logged in just so you can see. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to actually set up my direct deposit right now, and I will definitely when the when the transfer goes into my account, I will definitely be making a video for that. So as you can see, I have a current balance of $8. So I'm gonna go into Paylution now and get logged in. And yeah, I really just wanted to just pursue this thing because I really seen a vision for it. I've seen so many people making money online, and I figured this is the best way for me to make money online, because this is what I actually enjoy doing, making videos, making content, and putting it out there on social media platforms. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a bank transfer, add a method. As you can see, my available funds is $8. Okay, then I'm gonna just simply add a transfer method. All right, and it's however you want to do it. If you can either do it to a prepaid card or your bank account. I'm gonna just do bank account because I like my bank account. I'm gonna hit continue here, and then you're gonna need to add your routing number and your account number, and it will take about 1 to 2 business days. So I'm gonna add my information, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit continue. Business days. Having to go to my checking account, so I'm going to be blocking all this most definitely. Hit continue. Going to transfer to my bank. Transfer the maximum amount, $8, $7. Hit continue. And you can also request to get a Paylution card. So every Wednesday you just have to, it's just automatically. So if you have the Paylution card, you can request that card. So there's different ways of cashing out once you earn a commission within the Power Lead system, Lead Lightning. Here's my receipt. I can track my transfer, which is cool. I can print it out. Thank you, Paylution, for making that so easy for me getting paid online. You see me, I'm not in a suit and tie. I'm not having to have a boss stand over me. I can make my own money online, and you can too, legitimately. So I'm gonna go to my money. I'm gonna go to my commissions area, and this is my first time um, doing a bank transfer or withdraw or a payout or anything like that, because this last month has been kind of going all right for me, because I had 3 sales within last month. So yeah, so this is a sale for this week and last week and the week before last, which was all $6 commissions and 1 sale for each of those weeks. So yes, it is very possible for you to make money online. I know you're sitting here looking at me like this is not a lot of money, but it's a bigger thing. It's a bigger picture. I have a long scale, a long term, a long term plan here, and it's all about sticking to that plan. Once you establish your plan and know what you're doing, you just gotta execute that plan. And yeah, that's it. Just execute the plan. Get a plan and stick to the plan. And that's really one of the main things you need to worry about right now is getting the plan, sticking to the plan, and getting support. So you can go to my Facebook, you can go to Facebook groups. People are doing the same thing I'm doing, and it's just more support for you. It's mainly for your mental, because this online making money online is really all about your mental. Because we are entrepreneurs, we are our own bosses, so you gotta have a very strong mindset for that. So, and if you have some support around you via Facebook groups, and you see people in Facebook groups making the same amount of money that you're capable of making, and you guys are in the same business, then that's very good for your mental support. So thanks for watching, guys. I will definitely do an update video when the funds transfer into my account. I will actually show you I will show you the bank statement when it comes in. So thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming soon. I really appreciate everything that's happening, and I'm looking forward to the future. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.